Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage real estate events with Eventbrite step by step clearly. Start by creating a free Eventbrite account if you don't already have one. Visit the Eventbrite website and click on sign up in the top right corner. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button on your dashboard. Fill in the event title and description to give attendees an understanding of what to expect. Select the date and time for your event, ensuring it's suitable for your target audience. Choose the venue for your event, whether it's a physical location or a virtual setting. If it's a physical venue, provide the complete address. For virtual events, select the appropriate online platform link. Set the event type, categorizing it under real estate to reach the right audience. Decide whether the event will be free or paid and set ticket prices if applicable. Add an event image or logo to make the listing visually appealing. Review the ticket options and set the quantity if you're selling tickets. Under Additional Options, customize any specific settings, like age restrictions or accessibility. Once satisfied with the details, click on Publish to make your event live. Promote your event by sharing the unique link on social media and other marketing channels. Monitor registrations through your Eventbrite dashboard to stay informed on attendance. Engage with your attendees through emails, providing them with any necessary updates. After the event, consider sending follow-up surveys to gather feedback from participants. Analyze the data and insights provided by Eventbrite to improve future events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.